just say 5
Deer can just nip away at it.
Right here. The squid actually has 3 hearts.
Wow.
Yeah, how many hearts does a human have? 1.
Some none.
Yeah, some none. He's got 3. She's got 3. Say 1 here, 1 for the left, 1 for the left gill, 1 for the right gill, and 1 in their brain.
Wow.
3 hearts. Pretty cool. And the silvery, we're getting right here. Is it nice? I'll get to that in just a second. Y'all see ink sac right here?
Oh yeah.
All right. So, go ahead and rip up the organ. That's been poking out.
Wow.
It's also called a it looks like a feather pen.
Wow.
So they had everything they need right here to be able to write a letter or make a word.
It's his stomach.
All right.
So he walks around on his stomach.